What is going on, lovely ladies? It's your girl, the one and only Batman. And I'm gonna show you how to use a brightening concealer, where you need to apply it, places you need to worry about, the tools you should use, at least for a cream concealer. I have my foundation all set in, and your girl is ready to go. So I am going to start, again, this is coming from someone who uses glasses. So to start off, I am using the MAC Studio Finish concealer, and I go with a larger, denser brush with cream concealers because I just find it takes so long to get to the areas. And again, we're going with a brightening look, so we're inevitably going to be using more concealer. So what I tend to do is, it took me a while not to put a crazy amount on it. I tend to just, boom. That's usually what I need. I probably need a little more. And I am going to press, and I have a big friggin' forehead. So I'm kind of more liberal with the concealer, as in there's more areas to cover, but I'm also conscious about contour. That contour matters a lot to me. And I am going to get the chin. Gonna want to go a little bit past. Yeah, so I mean, stamping it in, not dragging, is super important with cream concealer, especially with a cream one, especially in the summer. These are the parts I can get with my glasses on. This one's gonna get a little bit tricky. So I'm gonna get to my nose. I got a Greek nose. We all got our noses. And again, tapping, especially at the nose, the skin on your nose is very different. I'm going to demonstrate you the reason why you don't want to drag, because if I go like this, you can tell that the product, plus the foundation, I believe, has gone back on the brush. I need to fix this. Hold on one second. Ah! I just fell on my ass. This is when you get into the big part of brightening concealer, is getting that check mark under the eyes. What I like to do with my cream concealer is I kind of go with more of a line, more of a curvy line. So I kind of start right here and I just distribute the product up here. You notice I did not go in to the under eyes right from the get-go. I am going to get all that in. You're gonna blend in over the nose, over here. Very important not to get so much concealer in the under eyes. You might actually argue that you don't want even foundation in the under eyes, because concealer is thicker. And especially if you have glasses, when that starts to crease in your under eyes, that kind of acts like a magnifying glass. So it kind of emphasizes and enlarges that texture. So you do not want that. So I've used my big brush, and I go in with a smaller one, just to get into the smaller areas. Okay, so we are done with concealer. Obviously, this looks kind of weird when you haven't added the contour and whatnot, but I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully that gave you an idea of how to apply concealer in a brightening manner. Please follow me on Instagram. I got my Facebook page. Please, if you like videos like this, give me a like and subscribe because you will not want to miss what is next on this journey to femininity and being the long, cool woman that you want to be. Thanks so much. See you later.